Hello learners, I'm Mr. Salim and today we're going to discuss about the parts of the human heart. Yes, remember in our previous lesson we said that the heart helps in the circulatory system, and what does it do? It helps to pump the blood throughout the body. Now, one, you should know that the heart is also a muscle. So, you should always remember that the heart is a muscle. Okay, so it helps in different functions of the body, plus it's also a muscle. Now, apart from being a muscle, there are things that we also know about the heart. One, when you touch your heart, you normally feel it beating, right? What normally happens is that while it's beating, then it's pumping the blood. That's how it works. So when you feel it beating, that is the heart working. And that is simply pumping the blood. Right now I'm touching my heart. It's normally slightly to the left side, So when you touch your, just next to your chest, you'll find, so we've said that your heart is slightly to the left of your chest. And another thing is that the heart normally beats, right? Now when you want to feel the heart beating, sometimes you can touch, the next to your, under your chin, somewhere like this, you'll feel like there is something beating, right? That is normally called the pulse. And that pulse is the blood rushing through your blood vessels. Remember we talked about the blood vessels, right? So when you feel that, actually it's the blood rushing through your blood vessels. So it's not like your heart is just below your chin or something. No, it's the blood that is rushing through your blood vessels. So that's what you normally feel. So once the heart pumps the blood, it rushes through the blood vessels, and you will feel that pulse to some parts of your body, yeah, like that. So let's just discuss these parts of the the parts of the heart, and then I think that will be the end of our lesson for today. So let's just check here. This side we normally have pulmonary artery. Sometimes people just write it as PA or pulmonary artery. You can also write it in full. This side we have the pulmonary vein. I think this makes it easier. So you can just write the caption, or you can label the first part, this other side, and then you can also label the other side. So this side is pulmonary artery, this side is pulmonary vein. Here inside we have the right auricle. We can just do the same. This side is the right side, okay? So this side we have the left auricle. That's clear? Good. And then here we have this valve, yeah? This valve is normally helping to control the blood flow. So this part here is the valve. This side we have the valve, also this side we have the valve, because of course the blood flows through, yeah? So this side we also have the valve. This side we have the right ventricle. This side we have the right ventricle. I am sure that you can tell this side. What do you have this side? You have the left ventricle. You have the left ventricle. Of course, this outer part, this is the muscle wall. Remember we said that the heart is also a muscle. So this is the muscle. This is the muscle wall. This helps it to, sometimes your heart might be beating so fast. So this really helps to control that. Okay? And then this part we have the aorta.